Hello students, today I am going to start this fourth lesson as we have already completed our 3 chapters in Reader, and till the chapter number 3, that is going to be the portion for your pre-mid test. Okay, 3 chapters in Reader and 3 in Reader grammar, along with all those antonyms, synonyms, letters and the essays. So today I am going to start this fourth lesson, that is the wasp and the bee. So now let's read. First of all, let's read about it. So this is the poem, The Wasp and the Bee. This is written by the Jane Taylor. Okay, so who is the writer of this poem? Jane Taylor. Now let's read the poem. A wasp met a bee that was just passing by, and he said, "My dear cousin, can you tell me why you are loved so much better by people than I? Why my back is bright and as yellow as coal, and my shape is most elegant too to behold? Yet nobody likes me for that, I am told." Says the bee, "My dear cousin, it's all very true. But indeed they would love me no better than you. If I were but half as much mischief to do. You have a fine shape and delicate wing, and they own you are handsome, but then there's one thing which they cannot put up with, and that is your sting. Now I put it at once to your own common sense. If you are not so ready at taking offense as to sting them on every trifling pretense, though my dress is so homely and plain as you see, and I have a small sting, they are not angry with me, because I am busy and good-natured bee. From this pray let ill-natured people be aware, because I am sure if they do not take care, they will never be loved if they are ever so fair. So, as you all have seen in this poem, is it that there was a conversation between this wasp and the bee. This is the wasp. It's a social insect which is having its narrow waist. Okay, this is called as a wasp, which is having a narrow waist, and this is the bee. So the conversation is going on between these two, that's the wasp and the bee. She is just this is asking, okay, he is just asking to the bee that why the people they don't like me and you are loved by everyone, isn't? He is asking to the this bee that why everyone they used to love you but they don't love me. Even I am more beautiful than you. I am having a elegant dress, elegant body, my appearance is better than you, but then also why you are loved and people are just scared and afraid from me. So now let's read again. I'm going to explain you the meanings also along with these lines, okay? But today only we are going to do till here, okay? A wasp met a bee that was just buzzing by. What happens? A wasp met a bee. He met a bee, and what the bee was doing? Bee was just busy in buzzing by. Buzzing means what? Humming sound. Okay, humming sound made by the flies. What happened when the flies they used to fly? They made a continuous sound, isn't? That is called as a humming or the buzzing sound. Continuously sound which was produced by the flying of the insects, that was called as a buzzing. Might be you have seen, you have heard also, isn't? Buzzing by. And he said, my dear cousin, can you tell me why? You are loved so much better by people than I. My dear cousin, can you tell me why? You are loved so much better by people than I. So who asked these things? These lines had been said by the wasp. Wasp is asking here with her P that, my dear cousin, can you tell me why you are loved so much better by the people than I? Why the people used to love you more than me? Here this has been used for the wasp. Okay? Why my back is bright and as yellow as coal, and my shape is most elegant too to behold. Elegant. Elegant means graceful or beautiful. So what this wasp is saying that even my shape is more better than you. I'm more pretty than you. I'm more beautiful. I'm more graceful than you. Behold. Behold means to see. Okay, to see or to observe, in observing or in seeing, in watching. I'm more beautiful than you. I'm more elegant than you. But then also, people, they don't like me. Even you are liked by the people. Yet, nobody likes me for that, I'm told. Says the bee. My dear cousin, it's all very true. But indeed, they would love me no better than you. So, what the bee is saying? Now, the bee is saying that, my dear cousin, it's all very true. Whatever the things you have said, all the things are true. That you are more beautiful than me, you are more elegant than me to see or to observe. You are having a great appearance, but then also you are not loved by the people. But indeed, they would love me no better than you. If I were but half as much mischief to do. So, this is all for today. Tomorrow we are going to continue after that. So, thank you and have a good day.